Guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, thank you for watching. If you are returning, thank you for coming back. Today I'm giving you guys this beautiful peacock inspired look. I just love the colors of a peacock. They're so bright, they're so vibrant. Oh, they're beautiful. It's easy to follow. The full list of the products that I used will be listed in the description box below as usual. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe, and I would see you guys in my next one. Bye guys. I'm loving the old school tape sharp edge, so you're gonna see me do this a lot on my channel. In today's palette I am playing with the Zulu palette by JUVIA'S. I'm gonna start off with my Morphe M533 brush. I'm using this purple. I'm gonna use that in my crease area. Next I'm gonna go in with this bluish, this baby blue, aqua blue color, and put this in the center of my eyelids. I'm gonna go in with a Morphe M332 brush. Looks like this. It's more dome shape. It's gonna concentrate that purple that we laid earlier right in the crease area. So we're gonna bring back that purple and overlap it over that blue. See that? So it doesn't look harsh at all. And next I'm gonna go in with the green in the middle of the palette and use that in the inner third and blend it into that blue. And what I like to do with the two middle colors, keep using the same brush, and what I'm doing is flipping the brush back and forth, so the green will be on one side and then the blue will be on the other side, and keep overlapping where the colors meet. And to avoid that harsh line, we're going to go back in with our Morphe M332 brush and go around the edges of those colors. Next I'm going to go in with my SEPHORA Blur and Smooth, or Smooth and Blur. I'm just going to focus this primer mostly in the center of my face, since that's where the oils tend to come through. For foundation today, I'm going to use my NARS Sheer Glow and apply it with my brush, and then I'll go in with a sponge and soak up the excess from off my skin. For my contour, I'm going to go in and use my Huda Beauty Tantour Contour and Bronzer Cream in the shade Medium. And this is what she looks like. So cream bronzer, and using my Morphe E63 brush, I'm going to apply this into my skin. To highlight, I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty Concealers, one in the shade 420, which is closer to my skin tone, so I lay this in darker areas just to conceal any areas I don't want looking dark, and then I'll go in and highlight with the Fenty Beauty concealer in the shade 370. And I'm going to use a Morphe M335 buffing brush just to buff that out. To highlight the center of my face, I'm going to go in with my MERCIER powder in the shade Translucent Honey. I will apply that powder using my Morphe E49 brush and press it into the skin. Again, I am not a baker, and if you like baking, now is the time to set that powder in that area if you're going for brighter under eye. Set the rest of the face. Where I did not apply that translucent powder, I'm going to go in with my DIOR Backstage face setting powder in the shade 6M, and I'm just going to use my Sonia Kashuk face powder brush. It doesn't have a number or anything, it just says powder. Using an angled brush and my same powder from DIOR, I'm going to use that down the sides of my nose. To set that contour, I'm going to bronze my face using my CoverGirl Full Spectrum Sculpt Expert Bronzer powder in the shade Ebony. The Morphe E4 brush, it's an angled brush. You're just going over where you applied that contour, that cream bronzer earlier. Let's finish off the eyes. I'm gonna line my lower lash line using the Makeup by Mario eye pencil in the shade Rich Blue. Next, I'm gonna smudge lash line using that purple that we used in the outer corner of the eyes. We're gonna smudge that blue liner. Lashes is on. I went ahead and lined my upper lash line and applied my mascara, and I used my e.l.f. liquid eyeliner for my upper lash line, my MAC extended play Gigablack mascara for my lower lashes, and the It's Superhero mascara for my upper lashes. And as usual, I get my lashes off of Amazon. I just keep reusing the same one over and over until I'm tired of it, and then I use another one. But these are the lashes I normally get from Amazon. You get like 4 pairs, 6 pairs, 4 or 6 pairs for like $10-15. I can't remember. We're going to go ahead and do our blush, and I'm using Bella Blush today by JUVIA'S just on the apples of my cheeks, and blend it into that bronzer. I'm going to use my MAC Oh Darling highlighter on the high points of my cheeks and in the center of my face using a Sigma F03 brush. To finish up with the lips, I'm going to use my JUVIA'S Cola lip pencil. For lip color, I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty lip paint in the shade Uncuffed. So I went ahead and completed my lips using the Pat McGrath lip gloss lip shine. I'll put the name of the shade below. It's a kind of peachy pinky nude. I just put that on top, and this completes the look. It's a kind of peacock vibes. I'm so in love with this look. Can you tell I love purple?